Hello, welcome back. Right here is what you see of 11 loads. That's what I got left of 11 loads, and I had to get another load here, which I had a divvy in it from last night. But that's one ricked load. That'll be 12 short wheelbase ricked loads that we went through this winter. We've got a cold front coming in here for a few days, and I was out of wood. It's got 4 ricks, and when I get it unloaded, I'll see how many pieces it was. Alright, we got him unloaded here, and what you see there is 190 pieces of wood. That was one short wheelbase ricked load. What I was going to show you here is a little upgrade we'll be going to this winter. Would be the propane stove. Name of it is Glow Warm. It's 30,000 BTU on high and 15,000 BTU on low. And this is quite old. It's a couple years old. My aunt had it. She gave it to me. But we may have this as a secondary heat source instead of the wood for those moments like we ran into this year. Running low on wood, and wet and rain and snow, things of that nature. So just keeping our bases covered. And right here is this some tanks. We have one 100-pound tank and 3 smaller tanks. There's 2, and then we have the other one over here at the grill. It's right there at the grill, and that's the one I've been using for the better part of all winter on the little Coleman Ozark Trail camping stove that fills up the little lantern bottles. And like I said, you can buy the little adapter at Walmart and put it in here, and you turn your tank upside down, and then it fills the green bottle up in under 2 minutes, under a minute or something of that nature. But where's it code at? It's somewhere in here. So I mean, I ain't got a lot left, but going back to the Glow Warm here. Like I said, it's supposed to be a blue flame. It's not ceramic. It is blue flame. Just trying to think of a place to put it. We'll have to do a little rearranging. So outside of that, that's about it, bro. Just nothing major. Just trying to show updates here.